Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says solve 3 raised power 2c plus 6 multiplied by 3 raised power c minus 27 is equal to 0. Now, this 3 raised power 2c can be expressed as 3 raised to the power of c and then all raised to the power of 2. Don't forget, so that when you multiply these two powers, 2c, it takes you back to this position. Don't forget that powers are multiplied according to indices. And then plus 6 multiplied by 3c can also be written as, 3 raised power c can also be written as this. And then minus 27 is equal to 0. Now, we are going to say let 3 raised power c be equal to x. So let this 3 raised power c be equal to x. So from there, you agree with me that this 3 raised power c becomes x. And then don't forget, this is raised to power 2. So it will be x raised to the power of 2. And then plus 6 multiplied by x, because 3c is x, so 6x. And then minus 27 is equal to 0. So if we simplify this further, that is by solving quadratic equation, you agree with me that since there's the coefficient of x squared here is 1, a very short method of doing this is to open up bracket like this, equate it to 0, put x here in this first bracket and also x here. And then you now look for two numbers such that when you multiply the two numbers, it's going to give you negative 27. And when you add them, it's going to give you positive 6x or positive 6. You can ignore the x. So two numbers such that their product will give you negative 27 and their sum will give you positive 6. So the higher of the numbers should take this positive sign that we have here. So you agree that 9 and 3 multiplies to give us 27. And when you add them or subtract them based on the sign you are giving them, you have the sum of positive 6. So like I said, 9 should take the sign that we have here. So this positive sign will give it to 9. So we'll say plus 9. And then the negative sign goes to 3. So it becomes minus 3. So that positive 9 multiplied by negative 3 will give you negative 27. And positive 9 added to negative 3 will give you positive 6. And from there, by the time we equate each of the brackets to get the value of x, we say x plus 9 is equal to 0. That will give us x is equal to, when this positive 9 goes to that side, it becomes negative 9. And then with this second bracket, we say x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then when this negative 3 goes to that side, it becomes positive 3. So x will be equal to positive 3. So these are the solutions. Now let's come back to our situation here that we say let 3 raised power x be equal to 3 raised power c be equal to x. Don't forget, we are looking for c. So I'll come back and write here that 3 raised to power c is equal to x. So taking this first solution for x, I can simply say 3 raised power c is equal to negative 9. You will agree with me here that there's no way we can express this negative 9 in a base similar to 3 because of the negative sign that we have here. So because of that, we are going to discard this solution. So we are not taking this solution because it will not give us real values as answer. So we are going to discard this now and take the other value of x. So if 3 raised power c is equal to x, and x, the second solution for x here is 3, then we should be able to solve this one. So 3 raised power c is equal to 3 raised power 1. Don't forget this 3 here can be expressed as 3 raised power 1. So now that the bases are the same, we can simply equate the powers. We ignore the bases and we equate the powers and say C is equal to 1. So this becomes the final answer to the solution. So please, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel so that I can get more videos like this. Thank you.